How to check recently watched reel on Instagram. In this video, I'll give you two different ways to check recently watched reel on Instagram. Let's say first come to the reel button here, tap on it and scroll up, keep scrolling up until you see a particular reel that you love, like this one. And maybe due to some reasons, you see that I've loved this reel. Due to some reasons, you come over again, you do post, you share, but you want to take a look at that reels again. You want to watch that reels again. And it's not, maybe it's recently, come back to the reels again. All you have to do if you've passed through it is to come over to this particular reel that you've watched before and do what? You'll be able to have access to that reel. Now, the next thing is maybe you've watched that reel, you must need to interact. Let me select another reel here that I may likely love, like this one. This one is good. Then let me come scroll up. This one is also good. And wow, this is also kind. So you see all these reels here that you've watched, you've liked, you've do so many things with all these reels now. The next thing you have to do, you've come over to this place, you've closed your phone and you've opened another app, you do so many things and you forgot to or you want to watch that reel again. What you have to do is very simple. The first thing is to put in your mind is that you must interact with that particular reel you want to rewatch. And consider you've interacted with it, maybe you've liked, you've dropped comments, and you want to rewatch that reel after some time. Come over to the profile icon here, tap on it. Then go to this three line, tap on it. Once tap on three line, then go to activities. Your activities here, tap on it. Once tap on activities, then here you have this option. Now you need to consider what you have done on that reel before. So why making this video, I like some reels. So let's tap on like. Let's wait for this page to comes up. You can see that here are the reels I've just liked on this place. Now you can always come over to this place and rewatch that reel like this one, then you have access to the reel again. So this is the literally way what how you can watch or check recently watched reel on your Instagram account or Instagram page. So if you enjoyed this tip or if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.